Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain what is insertion units in AutoCAD. Insertion units specifies drawing units value for automatic scaling of blocks, images or any XRIFs inserted into current drawing. And it has different values starting from 0 to 21. So what is the use of this is when we are going to insert another drawing into the current drawing, if the units of that drawing which is being inserted is different from the current drawing, then it will be automatically scaled to the insertion units. So let us say at present our insertion units in the units command is inches, and I am going to insert a detail which is having units of meters as its insertion scale units. So if I try to insert that, means like the meters drawing into inches drawing. So let us see what happens. I am taking ADC, AutoCAD Design Center, and trying to insert it directly. If I click over here and press enter, means like inserting to 1:1 scale. See how big it has come. Means like it has been scaled to inches from meter. So that is why this has become so big. So to get rid of this problem, I am just purging this block. So since it is having units as meters, so set the same units to current drawing as well. So go to units and take units as insertion units as meters. So set insertion scale units as meters, so that drawing which is in meters will be scaled to meters only, so that it will come in the original scale. Say I am again going to AutoCAD Design Center and inserting the same block. Now you can see they are coming in actual size. So I am trying to insert the same block once again. I am picking the insertion point, scale and rotation angle as 1 and 1 only. So you can see it has come in the meter scale. You can keep it wherever you want. So in this there are two blocks, one is enough. So it is a kind of rainwater storage pit detail, so percolation pit only. So like that, insertion units controls drawings or blocks or XRIFs or images whichever being are inserted into current drawing. So they will be scaled automatically according to this insertion units, which is available in drawing units command. You need to type units and take insertion units from here. So if you select the correct insertion units in the current drawing, so whichever is inserted into current drawing, they will be scaled to these units, so that you can correctly insert those objects into the current drawing. So let me show you once again. I am deleting this and purging the block so that its definition will be cleared from the memory. So first of all, we need to check the current drawing units in insertion units. It is meters, and make sure the drawing which you are going to insert, its insertion units are also meters. So now if you insert that using any method, insert or either AutoCAD Design Center also, you can insert them to correct scale. Okay, then you will get them in the exact size. So insertion units are very important while we insert drawings, images or XRIFs from outside to current drawing. Friends, hope you understood what is the importance of insertion units in AutoCAD. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.